Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO second sister or Trilla Suduri. So without any further ado, let's get into this. To begin with, I used the legs from this Mandalorian Luke Skywalker. I then used the Kama from this LEGO ARC Trooper. The torso comes from the Wicked Witch and I've slapped on some black hands. The cape comes from Moff Gideon as it gives it some nice red accents. The head comes from the Imperial Hoth Snow Scout Trooper. And finally, the hair comes from this Cara Dune minifigure. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I'm very happy with how this minifigure has turned out, and I hope that we get an official one in the future when some more Jedi Fallen Order stuff comes out. If you have any requests for any minifigures that you would like to see me make in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you're not subscribed and you've made it this far, I'd highly appreciate it if you did. If you'd like to watch some more tutorials, feel free to click on the end cards right now. For example, my Cal Kestis video might be a good one.